One of my favorite cases for the 14 Pro Max has been the Caudabe Sheath. I cannot say enough good things about what Caudabe have done with this case for the iPhone, but Caudabe have worked their magic on another product, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So one of my favorite accessories is AirPods, more specifically my AirPods Pro 2. Caudabe got in touch with me and said, Michael, we know you love the Sheath and we know you love the synthesis, so we have something for your AirPods. Can we send it to you? And I was like, absolutely, not a problem, send it over. And they sent me these. So these are the Mezzo cases for the AirPods Pro Gen 2s. So they have sent me across the black version and the Amethyst version as well. So, which is just as well because Kylie will be buzzing to get hers. So let's check these out. So here we are, we've got our paperwork and all this here sort of stuff. So yeah, fantastic. I don't need instructions, I'm a big boy. So here we have it. So this is pretty much a sheath for your AirPods Pro. And it's got that same texture, as I'm sure you can see here, it's got that same texture as the Caudabe Sheath. It's grippy, it's rugged, and yeah, I think I like it already, to be honest. So yeah, it's a silicone case. It's made of Caudabe Shock-like material, so it's going to be shock absorbing if you drop that. And I don't know about you guys, but see, as of late, I don't know what is wrong with me, but I am dropping my AirPods all over the place, and it's not good. It's not a good look. Drop, boom, one AirPod goes that way, another one goes that way, and I digress. So yeah, so they've sent this across, and it's pretty straightforward. It does exactly what it says in the tin. It is a silicone case, so your AirPods pop right in there like so. So in the bottom we have cutouts here for the lightning port and the speaker holes for the Find My functions, which is pretty awesome. Now, this is not to say if you do have Gen 1 version of AirPods Pro, this will still fit, no problem whatsoever, but it is geared up for the Gen 2s with the speakers and the lanyard hole at the side as well, as you can see. And yeah, there we go. And on the inside then of the lid, we have this adhesive tab. So if you peel that off, then you've got this reusable sticky pad in there as well. Now I know what you're thinking, and yes, I have encountered this before. If you are like me and you do like to chop and change cases, especially seeing as sent me this purple version as well, because I might steal this on Kylie if I'm being honest. So if I end up fancying to carry purple AirPods instead of black ones, sometimes these little sticky tabs maybe aren't the best solution to use on AirPods if you like to chop and change, because you see once that sticky pad goes on, it ain't coming off. So what I use is a bit of blue tack. So what I do is I just get a couple of little bits of blue tack and I put them on the inside of the case and just sort of spread it out evenly like so that it doesn't have a big impact. And then when I put that onto the case and squeeze that down, there you go. Your AirPods Pro lid is secure. It's not coming off, and in the event that you need to ever change your case, or you need to take them off, or you know, if you have to get them replaced under warranty or something, you need to be able to take that off. So that's what I use. I use a little bit of blue tack, and it just keeps that lid on and secure. But if you ever need to remove it, you're not going to smash your case by trying to take off those sticky pads. So yeah, that's what I use, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. I mean, look at that. Is that not an awesome color combination? So good. So good. I had to go and steal Kylie's phone, and as you can see, Kylie is using the purple synthesis case, which is her poison. She loves the synthesis, so I had to go and steal her AirPods as well. She's just unavailable today, unfortunately. So same again, that's what I do. I do just a little bit of, and then that's Kylie's AirPods. And just squeeze that down. There we go. And look, her AirPods are dead. Perfect. So yeah, so there we go. So there is the Amethyst synthesis and the Amethyst AirPods case. Like, look at that. What a color combo. So what do you guys think? Like, I have the black and I have the Amethyst. Pretty nice. Yeah. Now the one thing I will say is, and I have give this feedback back to Caudabe already, is these AirPods cases are not MagSafe. So if you put the magnet paper over, you will see the magnets coming through on the AirPods case itself, but it won't. But there is no magnets in the Caudabe case. So yeah, if you're setting this on a MagSafe charger, I'm not confident that it's going to stick with any sort of strength. If you're relying on a flat pad, it would hold it in where it needs to be, if that kind of makes sense. I have fed back to Caudabe that, you know, if you were to add some magnets into this, now I understand that it would make it a little bit thicker and that kind of thing. If there was some magnets to be able to be added in for MagSafe, it would be a 10 out of 10 case for your AirPods, no question about it. So I have fed that back to Caudabe, and they've said at this time their focus was on getting the case as it is, which is, I will say, it's top notch. The grip of it is great, the color of it is great, and that's going to be really hard wearing as well. So yeah, fingers crossed, an updated version with MagSafe, and it is 10 out of 10. So what do you think of these color combos? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you looking for a matching case for your phone and your AirPods? You might want to look at these, because it's not going to get better than that. These are fantastic. As always, I will leave you affiliate links to these down in the comments below, both the phone cases and the AirPods cases. And if you pick any of them up using any of my affiliate links, thanks for your support. I really appreciate it. That'll be wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. And keep it locked to the channel, guys, for more down-to-earth tech review videos and accessories. You know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.